Luxury cars often carry a reputation for style, power, and prestige, but reliability is rarely the first thing people consider. Many buyers assume maintenance costs will skyrocket after the warranty ends, but some vehicles are engineered to perform well long after their official coverage expires. Owning a luxury car without constant worry about repair bills is possible if you know which models are dependable. Today, we are exploring 12 luxury cars that consistently prove their reliability, making them worth purchasing even after the warranty period ends. The first car on the list is the Lexus LS. Lexus has long been synonymous with durability, and the LS is a shining example. The sedan combines cutting-edge technology with bulletproof engineering, making it a luxury vehicle that ages gracefully. Many owners report driving over 200,000 miles with minimal issues, and common problems are often minor electronics or cosmetic fixes. The LS provides a smooth, quiet ride while maintaining a reputation for low long-term maintenance costs, which is rare in the luxury sedan segment. If longevity is your priority, this is a car to seriously consider. Next is the Toyota Land Cruiser. While it is more SUV than sedan, the Land Cruiser blends luxury features with legendary off-road capability and mechanical reliability. These vehicles are built to last decades, with engines and transmissions capable of surpassing 300,000 miles if properly maintained. Even after the warranty expires, parts are widely available, and repair costs are lower than many European counterparts. Inside, the cabin is plush, loaded with high-end materials, yet simple enough that electronics rarely fail. Owning a Land Cruiser is investing in peace of mind and adventure-ready performance. The Lexus RX follows closely behind. As a mid-size luxury SUV, the RX combines refinement with reliability. Buyers seeking a comfortable family vehicle with fewer service headaches will appreciate the RX. Its hybrid variants offer both efficiency and durability, and the non-hybrid versions are praised for engines that last hundreds of thousands of miles. Lexus designs these vehicles to withstand long-term wear, making repairs predictable and generally affordable. This SUV balances practicality, style, and reliability, making it a smart choice for anyone wanting a luxury vehicle without constant repair anxiety. The Acura MDX is another standout. Acura has earned a reputation for dependable engineering, and the MDX continues that legacy. This SUV provides spacious seating, advanced safety features, and a well-built interior. Its V6 engine and transmission have proven durable over time, and many owners report minimal expensive repairs after 100,000 miles. Acura parts are more affordable than most European luxury brands, and routine maintenance is straightforward. The MDX is ideal for those who desire a luxury feel without committing to a fleet of high-cost mechanics for common problems. Among sedans, the Genesis G80 is rising as a modern contender for reliability. Hyundai's luxury brand combines technology, performance, and longevity in a compelling package. The G80 has shown impressive durability in the real world, with engines and transmissions performing well beyond warranty periods. Unlike some European luxury cars that demand costly maintenance, the G80 keeps ownership costs reasonable while offering high-end comfort. With a spacious interior, refined ride quality, and consistent reliability reports, this is one luxury sedan buyers can enjoy stress-free for years. The Infiniti QX80 is a full-size SUV that surprises many with its durability. Equipped with a powerful V8 engine and robust frame, the QX80 can handle towing, long road trips, and everyday driving with minimal fuss. Owners often report that even after 150,000 miles, major components remain reliable and routine maintenance is manageable. Its cabin offers luxury touches without overcomplicating electronics, which is a common source of problems in modern luxury vehicles. The QX80 proves that some full-size luxury SUVs are capable of longevity that rivals mainstream vehicles. The Lexus ES is another luxury sedan worth mentioning. Smaller than the LS but no less refined, the ES focuses on comfort, smooth driving, and reliability. Toyota engineering ensures the drivetrain, suspension, and hybrid systems function well past the warranty period. The ES is praised for requiring fewer unscheduled repairs than competitors in its class, making it an appealing option for those seeking an affordable entry into luxury ownership without constant service visits. Its blend of refinement, fuel efficiency, and longevity is why it continues to be a top choice among used luxury car buyers. The Acura TLX combines sportiness with reliability, making it a standout among mid-size luxury sedans. The TLX provides engaging handling, a refined interior, and durable mechanicals. Owners consistently report engines and transmissions that perform well beyond the warranty period, and electrical issues are rare compared to European competitors. Its design prioritizes longevity and ease of maintenance, which is why it is a practical alternative for buyers who want luxury styling without worrying about escalating repair costs as the vehicle ages. The Porsche 911, especially models with naturally aspirated engines, is a luxury sports car that defies common expectations about maintenance. While some sports cars are notorious for high repair bills, the 911 has a reputation for mechanical durability. Properly maintained, these cars can easily exceed 150,000 miles without significant engine or transmission failures. Porsche owners often enjoy long-term reliability that rivals mainstream vehicles, making the 911 not just a thrill to drive, but a solid long-term investment. Its legendary engineering ensures that fun does not come at the expense of dependability. The BMW X3 is another luxury SUV that demonstrates long-term reliability when cared for properly. While European vehicles are often criticized for high maintenance costs, the X3 benefits from engineering improvements that make it more dependable than older models. Its turbocharged engines and transmissions are known for longevity, especially when owners adhere to recommended service schedules. The interior remains comfortable and high quality, while electronics are simpler than in larger BMWs, reducing potential repair issues. For buyers seeking performance, prestige, and durability in a compact luxury SUV, the X3 is an excellent choice. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a classic luxury sedan that blends performance, comfort, and reliability. Older models, especially those with inline-six engines, have proven capable of surpassing 200,000 miles with careful maintenance. Mercedes engineering ensures solid chassis, durable transmissions, and robust braking systems. While electronics in newer models can be complicated, selecting the right model year allows owners to enjoy both luxury and reliability. This sedan offers a timeless design, strong driving dynamics, and long-term ownership confidence, making it one of the few European luxury cars worth considering for longevity. Finally, the Volvo XC90 is a luxury SUV that delivers both safety and durability. Known for strong construction, reliable engines, and long-lasting transmissions, the XC90 provides peace of mind after the warranty expires. Its hybrid and gasoline engines are resilient, and routine maintenance is predictable and reasonable compared to German luxury SUVs. Volvo prioritizes durability and safety, and owners frequently report minimal issues even after heavy usage. With a spacious interior, advanced safety technology, and reputation for longevity, the XC90 represents a smart balance between comfort, performance, and reliability. Some interesting patterns emerge when comparing these vehicles. Japanese and Korean luxury brands, particularly Lexus, Acura, and Genesis, dominate in long-term dependability. They focus on conservative engineering that emphasizes reliability over radical innovation, which reduces the risk of mechanical or electronic failures. European luxury cars like BMW and Mercedes-Benz offer extraordinary driving dynamics and design, but potential maintenance costs are higher. The trick is to select models with proven track records and avoid overly complex systems that could fail after the warranty expires. Knowledge is power, and knowing which vehicles are engineered to last makes all the difference in luxury car ownership. It is also worth noting that maintenance habits greatly affect longevity. Regular servicing, timely oil changes, and attention to warning lights extend the lifespan of any vehicle, luxury or otherwise. Even the most reliable models on this list require proper care to achieve high mileage without issues. Choosing a reliable luxury car gives owners a solid foundation, but responsibility is still key. Long-term reliability is a combination of thoughtful design and attentive ownership, and the vehicles highlighted here excel in both areas. Driving a luxury car that maintains its reliability after warranty is a rewarding experience. You enjoy premium features, smooth performance, and a sense of prestige without the constant worry of costly repairs. This is the sweet spot where engineering excellence meets practical ownership. When shopping for a luxury car, focusing on proven models, real-world reliability data, and attentive maintenance ensures a smart investment. These 12 vehicles are not just luxury cars. They are reliable companions designed to provide peace of mind and long-term enjoyment. Choosing wisely is the difference between endless repair headaches and years of smooth driving pleasure.